Welcome to the class. So here, to understand about the reflection by the spherical mirrors, we have to know about tangent and which is called as normal to the curved surfaces. So if you have knowledge about these two things, you will easily understand about laws of reflections and the formation of image by the spherical mirrors here. So here, first just to understand about this normal as well as the tangent, we need to draw a curve. So for this, simply take one circle on the paper as you see here. First draw a circle using a compass or a round shaped 360 degrees protractor here. So I am using here 360 degrees protractor to draw the circle. So after drawing the circle, using your scale, just draw a line to meet or coincide with the circle only at one point, and it is also exterior to the circle. That means outside of the circle or outside the boundary of a circle as you see here. Then after completing this one, just locate the center of the circle here. Locate the center of a circle. Then join the center and the tangent where it is going to meet or coincide with the circle. So here what this line you drawn inside the circle from the center to the boundary. So we can call this radius of the circle. This radius of circle is perpendicular to the tangent or not, just you have to verify at that coincide by this tangent. So use the protractor to verify this one, then identify the angle here. So here what you can see exactly, it is 90 degrees angle. So tangent what you drawn at any point on the circle here, that makes 90 degrees angle with the radii. So at that point we can call this radii, that means boundary to the center which line is drawn by connecting these 2 points. So that is called here normal to the curve. So this normal we can use to measure the angle of incidence and angle of reflection in case of these two mirrors, one concave mirror and the other is convex mirror. So if you clearly understand about this one, you will easily understand about the normal of curved mirrors. So one more time we will verify this one. So at another side of the circle I am drawing the tangent here. Then from that point of instance, suppose that let me take that point as something x, then connecting that x with the center of the circle, then measuring the angle of this tangential line and the radius at this point. So you will measure again 90 degrees. So any radii drawn or that center connected to the curve is called here normal at that point. So simply we can use that point of instance and that point of instance joined with the center. So we can use this as a normal. So clearly maybe understand to you. So thank you. We will meet with the another video class.